So cancel this 5 by 5 is equal to 5 divide 5. Okay. So now 5 divide 5 is equal to 1. But this answer is 100% wrong. This answer is not correct. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one division and one multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this division. So 5. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 5 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction. 5 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 5. Multiply 5. Now cancel this 5 by 5 is equal to 5 multiply 5. So now 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Okay. So the correct answer is 25.